Okay, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Razik Fitri bin Zaiful Nizam, and I would like to present my self-reflection video about leadership in our system documentation. So the agenda is, first I would like to do the self-introduction, next the project background, after that the essential knowledge and skills, key qualities of a leader, and last but not least my leadership contribution in the group. So for self-introduction, my name is Razik Fitri bin Zaiful Nizam. Number matrix is A22EC0265. I live in Seremban, Negeri Sembilan, and I am a second semester student in Graphic and Multimedia course in UTM, and I'm from group SE A+. So for project background, the aim is to help both officers and residents to file a complaint with ease. So the resident could use the app or the website to file a complaint, and the officer can manage the complaint by using our software. So the domain is creating useful software for the public service center. So the system, we have user registration, file complaint, change status, view status, request services by the residents and officers, manage complaint, and lastly the filing financial report. So the stakeholder for this project is officers in Parlimen Pulai Public Service Centre and also the residents of Pulai, which launch, deploy a good software with functions to help the officers and residents in Pulai. So next, self-reflection about proposal, SRS, and SDD and STD. So I would like to present the self-reflection for proposal first. We use team building in our proposal, which is the leader must have a cohesive and high-performing team. So they should have the ability to select the right team members, delegate tasks effectively, and foster a collaborative and inclusive work environment. So for communication, we communicate among the teammates to make the system documentation and also our project successful. So this is critical thinking. Then we have strategy, which is to in order to make the system documentation successful, we think one or two strategy or plans to make the project run smoothly, and also creativity, which we gather ideas to create a project that would help the residents and officers of Parlimen Pulai Public Service Centre. So for SRS, which is the software requirement specification. So we use active listening. By active listening, we heard orders by our leader. Next, we communicate about what we don't understand and what we can conclude. Second, the management. So management is the leader have solid understanding of project management, the principles, methodologies, and also best practices. So we manage the project and handle it smoothly. So motivation, we motivate each other to make the system documentation successful. Next is critical thinking, which sometimes we have no idea, so we brainstorm together to find a solution. So next, SDD and STD. SDD stand for Software Design Description and also Software Test Document. So in order to make SDD and STD, we collaborate with each other. We have several strategy to make the system documentation done. So we communicate also among each other. We practice time management in order to submit it on time. Next, we motivate each other and also conflict resolution. So next, essential skills of a leader. So first is project management. A leader should have a solid understanding of project management, principles, methodologies, and best practices. So next is communication. Effective communication is crucial for project success. As a leader should be able to clearly articulate project goals, expectations, and also deadlines to team members. So vision and goal setting. A leader should have a clear vision for the project in order to be able to save the realistic and achievable goals. Decision making. Project leaders and other team members also have a clear vision for the project. So next is team building and collaboration. So in a group, there must be a cohesive and high performing teammates, as they should have the ability to select the right team members, delegate tasks effectively, and foster a collaborative and inclusive work environment. Next is adaptability and flexibility. So projects can be dynamic and unpredictable. So a leader and team member should be adaptable and able to adjust the plan as needed. This is the key qualities on a leader. So on a leader, it must have visionary, which is a leader should have a clear vision for the project. As the project get bigger, strong communication. So for the communication, as we all know, it is very crucial among team members to achieve a successful project. Next is decisive. A leader must be decisive in order to make informed and timely decisions. Next is empowering. Effective leaders empower their team members. They delegate tasks, provide autonomy, and trust their team in order to accomplish their self-responsibilities. Next is problem-solving skills. Problem-solving skills is project usually encounter obstacles and problems. So in order to be a great leader, a leader should have strong problem-solving skills to identify issues, analyze root causes, and provide a solution. Next, my leadership contribution. I usually communicate with other team members to provide a solution and also giving ideas. So for decision making, I sometimes decide with team member and also ask for their opinions to provide a best way of solving problems in our projects. Next is team building and collaboration. I collaborate effectively to the team, having a good relationship with other team members. So vision and goal setting, I also provide vision and goals for the project as we brainstorming of the project goals. And last but not least, the problem solving and skills. So I sometimes solve problem for me and also other team members, because we know that sometimes we have extra ideas on some points and we could share it to others. So that's all from me. Thank you.